This might be or might not be the best way to make this Raptor third brake light work, but this is what worked for me, and this is what I'm showing you guys. You're more than welcome to buy a plug and play harness from either Boosted Grey Goose or Ryan Broderick, or you could do your own. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So here's the original third brake light I had on the truck. I cut off the connector because the one from the Raptor, it has 4 wires and it won't fit into the connection that you connect the third brake light to. So this is what I did. And then this wire is gonna make the 3 DRL lights turn on during the day and night. And I'll show you how to do that, and I'll show you how it looks in the day and night time. And then I'm gonna run the DRL wire through that hole. What I did, I unclipped this side and this side as well. I unclipped the panel. That way I could route the wire through here and down to here. So I routed the wire through here. And as you can see, it's right here. So that's pretty much it. You just route it through here. So how I'll be doing it is I'm gonna connect these together, and then this wire as well, and this wire I'm gonna route it through the wheel well, and then I'm gonna connect it to that other one I routed from the back of the truck. So this wire is gonna be routed through the wheel well, and this is what's gonna make the DRL work. So these connectors are from my HID kit I had laying around the house. I connected them together. And this is the DRL connector from the Morimoto headlights. So I'm gonna connect this one here, and then the other one to the other connector. One thing that I forgot to mention is that if you don't have the Morimoto headlights, you can buy a micro 2 fuse tab and use fuse number 36 to make the DRLs work. What I did, I routed the wire through the wheel well and down to here, up through that plug right there, and then you remove the plastic piece that's here. You lift the carpet up and you'll see the wire that's gonna be routed to the back, as you can see. And here's where the DRL wire from the back of the truck is connected together with the one from the front of the truck. So this is how it looks in the daytime, and I'm gonna show you how it looks in the nighttime as well. So this is how it looks at nighttime. I also added a rapid fire module to the third brake light. That's why it flashes like that. Maybe I'll be doing another video of that install. Hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.